Good medical morning. This is Watson, your guest host on All Star Doctors, with a special announcement. We've just added Bruce, who's better known to YouTube as the Earwax specialist. Bruce joined YouTube in 2016 and already has over 300 million video views. We plan to add 1 or 2 earwax specialist videos per week, so please subscribe. Also, click the notification bell for updates. Here are a few examples of his work. And below we'll put the link to his official earwax removal toolkit in the description. It's the only kit that he approves for your use. Check it out. Hey there, medical fans. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. Please take a moment to pick up our custom earwax removal kit from the link below. It's the only kit officially sanctioned by your favorite earwax specialist. It comes with 3 heads, extra batteries, and an irrigator tool. Check it out by clicking the Amazon link below.